How to make and create marketing flyer on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create marketing professional flyer in less than 1 minute on canva.com. First thing, go to Canva, log into your account, and this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top and click on create design, search for flyer, click on it, and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, go right here, scroll down until you find the marketing flyer option. Click on see all. Now choose a template here. You have many options, as you can see. Choose the one that you want and you can edit it easily. As you can see, everything can be changed. And yeah, after you finish, just go to the top here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.